Hi, I'm Angela Huffman at Quilted Joy. I want to show you a border design that you can put in fairly large spaces. It's called the Big Basket Weave Border. I've got a 3-inch border drawn out and 3-inch registration lines to break it into pieces, and I'm going to just do some kind of lazy back and forth all the way down. I just want to be sure when I end so I can come up, and now I'm going to stack these lazy loops. They aren't really loops, are they? Lazy lines headed north-south. So I've done north-south, now I'm going to do east-west. I'm going to lay these on their side and fill up this space. And I'm trying not to have any right angles. Okay, I'm headed up, now I'm ready for north-south. And once I fill that up, I'm going to head towards east-west. Now I'm going to do north-south. And just keep building. Thanks for watching. I'd love to see what you're working on. Be sure to join us on all of our social media channels, and we have a lot of great tutorials and workshops for you that you'll find in our newsletter. The link is down there in the description. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and ring the bell, because then you'll be notified every time we post a new video.